Hey, what's going on YouTube? So today I got a video about something cool that came out in 2006. It's the American Eagle 20th Anniversary Silver Coin Set. And this actual item was released in August of 2006 by the US Mint. There is a limited mintage of 250,000 of these produced. And I don't think anyone's done a review on this set on YouTube. If they have, I mean, the video is probably so old and ugly, like nobody watches it anymore. So anyways, I wanted to kind of give you guys an idea of what the US Mint used to do, because I didn't even know this existed. I mean, dudes, this is like 16 years ago. Like, I was a 30-year-old man. Like, I was not collecting coins back then. So anyways, here's the set itself. I did pick this up on eBay for 180 bucks, which was a smoking deal. These typically sell for around $240 with free shipping is what the normal price goes for on eBay for an actual untouched set. And box is really nice. They definitely don't do stuff like that anymore. And check out this actual case. So beautiful, squishy, like a leatherette type top to the case itself. And then they do a nice black piano finish for the box itself. So again, like, they just don't do stuff like this anymore. Totally beats the cheap packaging they give you nowadays, which is literally just like cardboard and some fake felt. So anyways, in this set, you get the certificate of authenticity, and you get 3 coins. So you get a proof, a burnished, and a reverse proof. The proof coin is produced in the West Point Mint. The uncirculated burnished is also produced at the West Point Mint. And then the reverse proof is made at the Philadelphia Mint. So anyways, really nice case itself. Each coin comes capsulated. I mean, guys, this originally sold for 100 bucks when it first came out. I mean, this case alone nowadays would probably be worth upwards of $20 all by itself. So here's the actual proof coin itself. Very nice example. And there's the West Point Mint mark. So this coin's really nice. Here's the burnished. So the burnished have kind of like a not shiny finish. It's called a satin finish. So that's when you ever hear the term burnished American Eagle. You can always tell too, they're made of West Point Mint. The regular uncirculated coins don't have a mint mark. And here is the reverse proof that's made in Philadelphia. But wait until you see the reverse. So you can kind of tell there's some type of toning on the rim of the obverse. And check out that reverse. Absolutely stunning. I mean, that is just beautiful. So I've been really collecting coins, back into it for the last, since 2020, like most people. I didn't even know these existed, the reverse proof with toning. I didn't even know that is a possibility. So I was just going to list this set for like 230 bucks, share it with someone else, make a quick profit. But now that this actual set is coming with this actual beautiful coin, this is something I'm probably going to take to the World's Fair of Money here at Rosemont, Illinois, when it comes here in August. PCGS is going to have a booth set up where you bring your coins in. It's about $75 a piece, but it's called, they actually grade it at the show. So if you bring it in the first day of the show, you can pick it up at the end of the show. So it's like a 5-day turnaround time. Also gives an excuse to go to the show twice. But let me take this out of its case. But this particular reverse proof is something definitely, here, as I take it out, I'll put it close to my mic so you can hear the US Mint case. Fingernails nowadays, so I don't have to use a razor, but hear that squeakiness? That's when you can tell it's a real US Mint case or capsule. So let me put my glove on so you can see the coin raw. But anyways, so PCGS has like this thing where you have to bring in 5 coins. It's economy, so the coin, I don't think the coin can be worth over 500, or maybe it's 3,000. I don't know, but this would definitely be a coin, one of the 5 that I would bring to the show. Like, I mean, guys, look at this thing. It's beautiful. And you could tell it's like legit toning just by looking at the edges. So you can tell, like, because anytime someone fake tones a coin, it won't show up on the rim. Like the whole rim will be one color. And this you can see, it's like, man, it's beautiful. What a beautiful color to be produced in like actual just natural nature. So this seller probably had it stored in some kind of safe near some moisture or something, but that's super rare to have a eagle tone this nice when literally it's been sitting in a capsule. I'm pretty sure the capsule was probably open or wasn't sealed completely tight. So a lot of times these open up during, but I mean, the coin itself is like beautiful already, you know, the actual obverse. Like there's definitely a premium to this coin regardless. So I think it's a super high grade too. Like there's no marks on it. So guys, can you imagine like if I get a proof like deep cameo 70 with this toning on it? I mean, you're talking a one of a kind coin. Like nobody has this. Maybe I'm wrong. Like I've never searched for toned reverse proof 2006 Philadelphia minted silver eagles. They only made, I think, 250,000 of these sets. So does that mean they only made 250,000 of these reverse proof coins? So if that's the case, so let's say, and again, I'm not an expert at the mintage. I just looked up real quickly what the set, like how many they made. So they had a household limit of 10 back then. But let's say, okay, 250,000 of these coins exist. Like they didn't mint anymore. They just minted this just for this set. How many are toned? And then how many that are actually toned are ever available for sale or have ever been listed for sale, like on a heritage auction or eBay. So I might have something really cool here that a collector would definitely like. So again, I just wanted to share this I mean, look at that. It's even got like a purple toning in the inside with the blue and then the green. I mean, it's stunning. And I know I use a 1986 that I've found myself, Silver Eagle. I got graded by PCGS. It is beautiful reverse. That's actually my thumbnail for my channel. I also use it for my eBay store, but this might replace it. I mean, this is super, super beautiful. Just the way it shines too, just the way these things are minted. So again, I don't know if you guys have ever seen something like this. What do you guys think something like this is worth? Is it worth me sending this in same show day for $75, or should I go El Cheapo style? Because Annex is going to be there too, and they're going to have a special. I think for like $100, you can get 5 coins that are worth 500 or less, graded for like $100. I don't think they do it the same show day though. Like they send them back to you later on, but I was thinking of doing that as well. So anyways, guys, this is my, I just dropped it, discount, ruining the coin. But this is my video today, and hope you guys like the experience, me sharing this with you. I didn't even know the set existed until I bought one, and it's a beautiful set. Like seriously, US Mint, why don't you make packaging like this anymore? Like, how were they able to make this for $100 in 2006? It wasn't that long ago. I mean, 2006, things were rocking and rolling. That was before the last recession, right? So 2006, $100 got you 3 beautiful silver eagles and a beautiful case. Like nowadays, they charge they charge like $85 for just one proof coin that comes in a crappy, cheap little flimsy clamshell. Not even a clamshell. It's just so cheap. So I just wanted to share this with you guys. Hopefully you like, share, subscribe, give me a thumbs up. And I appreciate you watching. And I guess I'll do a follow-up video when I do get the coin graded. Probably one that I'll still list on eBay, but I'm going to list at a price that I really don't want to sell it at, because that's one of those keeper coins. But just thought I'd share this with you. Everyone have a good rest of your day. And keep a lookout out there. There's always treasures. You never know where you're going to find it. Check out your local coin shops. Check out eBay, other sources. Just make sure whoever you're buying it from, that you have some, buyer protection in place. So anyways, have a great rest of your day. And I appreciate you guys watching. Bye-bye.